Assalamualaikum. Today I'll talk about inheritance and overriding in Java. Inheritance involves two or more classes, which includes the subclass and the superclass. The subclass is also known as the child class, which inherits attributes and data from the parent class. Inheritance is useful, which is because it saves time and effort in creating program, because you don't have to rewrite the attributes. So here we have an example. The first class, which is the superclass or the parent class, which shows the variables, and then we have the second class, which extends the parent class and inherits the data members of the parent class. And then we have the app class, which has the main method. So if we take a look at one by one, so first we have the variables integer m and integer n, both of them are protected. And then we have the method called f. So we have the prints, which says now in class x.f, which sets the variable m to 22. And then we have the method named g, which prints out now in class x.g, which sets the variable n to 44. And then we have the toString method. And then for the second class, class y, which extends class x. This indicates that this is a subclass or a child class. So we have private double n. It overrides the field class x.n because it has the same name. And then we have public void g, which overrides the method class x.g. It has the same name, but inside a different class. So which prints now in class y.g, which gives the variable n a new value 3.14. And then we have a public string to string, which overrides the toString method in class x. And then we have the test class y, which has the main method. So less x with the object name x equals to new class x. This is, it calls the class x, and then we call the method x.f, then x.g, and then we have the system out.println x equal x. This will print out the toString method, the class x with all the variables and the values. And then the same thing, class y equals new class y, call method f and g in the class y, and then print out y equals to plus y, which calls the class y with all the members and methods. So if we run it inside the Java, we'll get something like this. Now class x, f plus xg, x equal m equal 32, n equal 44. This is from class x. And then from class y, m equals 32 and n equals 3.14, which is the new value set in class y. That is